If you go to Pakistan, for example, or some other countries, so if you are filling out a form for something, they will ask you for two addresses, your temporary address and your permanent address. So what does it mean, temporary address and permanent address? So you're staying now, where you're living, and then if you have to leave this, where will you go and stay? Right? That's what it means. It could be that both are the same. So in Arabic, these two are called Watan Iqama and Watan Asli. Watan Iqama means residence, and Asli means your permanent, your asal, yani your real home. So both have a significance. In both Watan Asli and Watan Iqama. So I live in Dubai, not UAE, Dubai city itself. I live in Dubai and I was born in Lahore. So for a long time, I thought, so I went to US and then I moved to Dubai. It has been like 28 years and I've been out of Pakistan. I used to think that if, you know what, never intended to live in the Chicago for a long time. And when I moved to Dubai, I never intended, I thought maybe I'll live, maybe I'll not live. So I was in doubt. So I was thinking, if I go back to Pakistan, then I will go back to Lahore and settle in Lahore. So in my case, in this particular case, my temporary address was Chicago's, and when I moved to Dubai, but my permanent address remained Lahore. This was my Watan Iqama, this is my Watan Asli. So in Watan, because Watan, so whenever you reach your Watan, then you pray full. But while you are traveling, right, for example, I go from Dubai to Lahore, which is of course more than 78 kilometers. As soon as I leave the limits of Dubai, I become a traveler. I pray 2 rakahs for all 4 rakah prayers until that I reach the boundaries of Lahore. And because that is my Watan Asli, I start praying 4 even if I'm there for like 5 days.